Okay, welcome back. What I want to do now is continue with session 18, okay? Unit 305. Session 18, making good. Now let's just make sure that we can get that into play, okay? Okay. Okay. And again, kindly remember it is 2357, 5357. Now this 5357 has replaced the 2357, but the knowledge is still the same, okay? Have an understanding of how to make good the fabric of the building after you have carried out your task. Now making good. Now your main job might be an electrician, but you will have to be able to do other jobs as well. And this is the job you will need to be able to do. A bit of plastering, a bit of filling, a bit of operation, a bit of brickwork, a bit of paint decorating. So you become the odd job man, even though you are a qualified electrician. Okay? That makes you very valuable in your area of work. Okay, let's just go and make sure we can get this on close, okay? Here this is a bit of the work you may be doing. Some of the tasks you'll have to carry out, okay, as well. Okay. Okay. Now, remember that you allow any changes in regards to the 522.6.102 references in regards to the regulations. Now you need to check that you are compliant with the current regulations as it stands. My current regulation is the 18th edition, but you have to be aware that that edition in future may become the 19th, 20th, 21st edition, etc. So you have to allow for that factor. Okay. And this is how it's showing you how it should be done and how you need to make sure that your work is compliant and is finished to a good standard. So we just go over it, make sure we can get it fully. Okay. And to come back to that too. Just a bit. Okay, good. Okay, here you have as well your next bit. If the chase is in a plastered wall, create a channel for the new top coat plaster or polyfiller to go in. This stops cracks appearing down the length of the chase. Okay. So let's just go in closer, make sure we can get it into play. And then you can see what has been said. These are the type of stuff you can fill now. Obviously, these you have additional new stuff to this now. So be aware you have foam filling stuff that will do a similar job, then you can plaster over it overall. Okay. That's for you to read for yourselves, okay? Okay. Hollow walls, okay? Similar thing like here as well, okay? So you need to be aware of that, okay? Just going a bit closer so you can see. And back as well. Okay. Sorry about that. Just trying to get it in frame. Okay, yes, very good. Okay. And again here you have showing you how batten screwed or nailed to the joist to the port 1 end of the floorboard. Okay. And here this is where you're supposed. Now this bit of floorboard here has to be supported by weight. So because you don't want when this floorboard goes down and you begin to nail it back into place, that end begins to flap up and down. So what you have here is a batten screwed. So this would be your batten screwed to the joist itself. Okay. Or there's another name for this as well. We've seen in the other video, but that would be screwed to here. Now what I normally do when I screw this to here, I use PVC glue on the back of this, because what happens is that as you screw this here, over time the screws in this becomes loose. But what I found is that when I put PVC glue on here and I secure this to the joist, that this remains in place for a lot longer, and it is not that prone to vibration. You can then secure this floorboard onto here and prevent it squeaking. Now if you normally you get squeaking, but if you put a heat resistant material of sorts in here, you'll find that it minimizes the squeaking completely, basically as well. Okay, so that there, then that floorboard then goes down, secures down, and is battened onto here and will rest on there. Now this floorboard batten should be long enough to take into account the weight that's been applied to it, so it does not move too much. Okay. Okay. Just making sure you can be seen. Okay, multi-choice questions to be done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now get them done. Do not ignore it. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.